Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply the trending reverse effect to your videos in CapCut PC. So in here, I have this video of a woman walking in the reverse of try the effect. So you can just go to video effects and here you can see now it's currently trending, the reverse one. Just click on the plus icon and adjust the effect. And if you want to, here you can adjust the blur, the chromatic aberration, and also the speed. And this is the result for the reverse effect. This one's right here. You can see it will have that reverse effect like that. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.